Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Auto Guy DIY, showing you a little something that my dad come up with today at his shop. So this happened to me the other day. I shut my hood and my little hood release underneath the hood come out, you know, the one that goes up in the grill, and come to find out this cheap little plastic clip broke. That's all it is that holds it. So my dad come up with a great idea, hooked me up big time, turned a piece of tubing just like this into the same little latch. So in this little episode, we're gonna get into putting that on. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and that's what's up. So this is what he come up with today at work while he was here. I mean, he bent it identical. The only difference is these bends are a little bit bigger, but it doesn't affect it. And then the die nut that he had fit this 1/4-inch tubing, so we're threading it all the way down, put a nut and washer on there. I'll never have to deal with that plastic clip again. I thought about threading that, but I mean, how much cooler is it to have a solid stainless steel hood release? So check this out, man. This is what it come out like. The only difference is this bend here, and then I'm gonna cut this. We threaded it, or he threaded it, should I say. We're gonna cut that off to fit. Man, it ought to be super sweet. We're gonna get out there and put it on the truck. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, that's a big upgrade. Stainless tubing versus just a piece of stock, steel stock. So let's get out to the truck, put this thing on, see what it turns out like. What we come up with, we're gonna shove it through there. Got a nut. It goes up through your little holes right here in your grill. It goes through here. Oh, I forgot my washer. I'm putting washers just to be on the safe side. I want it to move freely. Well, there's the hole back here. Hold on, y'all. Boom, like so. Another washer. Run that nut on here. Here, this is the key part right here. Double nut it so you don't lose a nut and it won't fall off. Right? And then you want it snug enough that it don't wiggle, but it still moves up and down. Tighten your two nuts together. Look at that. Let me shut this hood. See that? Look at that. That thing is beautiful. Stainless steel. Man, it'll never rust. Perfect idea. So with all that, this is Auto Guy DIY. Keep living the dream, doing your thing. Like and subscribe. Always get at me with a comment. That little hood release is 100% DIY.